Hey everybody, it's John with Lifetime Quality Roofing. I'm out here in Apple Valley with Kevin Dunn. We recently replaced his roof through the insurance process. So Kevin, what's the process been like with working with Lifetime Quality Roofing to get your roof replaced?
It was really smooth. You came out and did an inspection and gave us an estimate, and everything just went so smooth from there. Very happy.
Awesome. And what were we able to do for you in this instance with this project?
So we replaced the main roof on the house. It was probably about 26 years old, so the original roof, and it was in desperate need of replacement. It had some wind damage from this spring.
Right.
So we were able to tackle it that way.
Yeah. And how much money do you think we were able to save you by working with your insurance carrier in this process?
I would guess between $5,000 and $8,000, probably.
And would you recommend Lifetime Quality Roofing to your friends and family?
I would, yeah, definitely.
Awesome. Well, we really appreciate working with you in this process. The roof looks fantastic. It was great to be a part of that by working with your insurance carrier. And if you haven't had your roof looked at, now's the time to have it done before winter sets in. So give me a call, or you can give the company a call. My number directly is 740-504-0974. I'd love to be able to help you out, just like we helped Kevin on this roof replacement project. Have a great one.